these are the reasons why you can't withdraw on Rexify. Now, when you take a look at this first section, it says beginner. And when you look at the point, it says 20 points, right? And now when you take a look at the other one that says expert, it says 150 points, as you can see. So these are stages to the access that will be given to your withdrawals on Rexify. I don't know if you understand. Now, these points can be gotten by referring friends to this platform. Now, when you go ahead to refer friends, you're going to be seeing the points that are allocated to each particular section. What I mean by section is the beginner, the expert, and the legend. Now, if you have invited some certain amount of users to this platform, you might have reached beginner or might have passed the beginner. And if you keep on referring individuals to this platform, you would get to expert, which is the 150 points. Now, you can see right here on my account, I am heading over to legend. I'm still going to be showing you the progress of these points. That is if you stick to the end of this video, and also what you can do to benefit while using this platform. Now, you can see that the legend has 300 points, and individuals are asking or meeting or sending me a message asking should they actually have to input funds to this platform. Now, I have not inserted any funds to this platform. What you can do that I encourage you from my platform is to refer individuals. That is if you can refer individuals to this platform, right? Now, when you take a look at it right here, you can see that you will be given access stages by stages if you're new to the platform. So you can see skip the wait by a tier and unlock its daily tax limit right away. I made a video on Facebook explaining the withdrawal and the wait or the actual date that will be given access for the withdrawal. So you can see right here we have the beginner, the expert, and the legend. And under the beginner, I have achieved that. And under the expert, I've also achieved that. Now, the legend, I am close to achieving that. There are two ways to get this point or get up to this tier. One is by having to get it with a fund, and the other is to refer individuals to this platform. Now, let me go over to my dashboard so I can show you the process of this point. Now, when you get over to my home right here, you are going to be seeing that I have a progress. You can see right here that this is actually a progress. I am on expert, so this is actually the progress. So for you to be able to be given access to this, there are process to it. You should be able to move your score. This is the trust score, and this is where we are going to. So once you are not gotten to any part of this, it will be difficult for you to be given access to this withdrawal. So this is my experience while using this platform. Now let's go over to the home button so you can see right here. And when you come over to this, you can see that you can also join the community to get information about this platform, and that is how the platform works. Now when you come over to this second button right here, you will be given access to tax according to the level you are on your account. You can see where it says finish a tax and the reward drops straight into your wallet. Now this is it. You make a review about Google reviews, and you get this depending on how or the level you have gotten to in your account. These are ads click, and this is what you get, and also the invite. So you can also use your referral link to refer individuals to this platform. So it is very simple to use this particular platform. It is very, very simple. From my own experience, I can say you can go ahead using your referral link to refer individuals on this platform. However, note that this is not a financial advice. You can also do your own research to understand how the platform works. Make your own research, get full understanding before going into this platform, right? So it is very simple, and that is why you are not able to withdraw, because the points on your account has not given you access to place the withdrawal. So how do you now get to have access to place withdrawal? Is to keep on increasing the points you're seeing right here. Your trust score must be increased to a certain level that have bypassed this particular section right here. You must have gotten over to 20 points to be able to have your first withdrawal on this platform. So this is my own experience, and this is the review I can make about this platform. Now the question you're asking, is this platform real or is it just a waste of time? Now when you go over to your account right here, I said this on my Facebook, and you go over to the withdrawal, you're going to see that they have 3 sets of withdrawals on this platform. They have the trust score withdrawal, they have the referral withdrawal, they have general withdrawal. Now let me take this again. When you click on the trust score withdrawal, you can see right here they said that experts and legend only. Experts and legend only. So you can see that this platform deals with levels. It deals with levels. They have the beginner, they have the experts, and they have the what's it called, they have the three levels. Let me go ahead to show you. These are the 3 levels: beginner, expert, and the legend. Beginner, expert, and the legend. So these are the levels to it. So let's go over to the video so we can explain how and what they mean. Now when you come right here, you select the first one, which is the trust score. You can see it says it's only for expert and legend. Now they've excluded the beginner. So they say once every 7 days. Once every 7 days. Withdraw a fix is 500 from your main balance. Once every 7 days. Now let's get over to the general withdrawal for everyone. Now when you come right here, they said it is opened 11th they said it is opened 5th. They said it is opened 1st to 5th of every month. 1st to 5th of every month. Minimum is this and maximum is this. So open from 1st to 5th of every month. So this is actually a general withdrawal. Whether you're a beginner, you have not gotten any points, you can be able to go over this. Now have we tried this on this certain month? We have not actually reached to this particular stage. We just started this platform, so I cannot guarantee that we are going to be having a withdrawal from the 1st to the 5th of every month. But once it has gotten to 1st and 2nd, 4th, 5th, we are going to be trying this, and if this works out, then we are going to be giving a review on this particular update. So that is how you can benefit using this platform. So you can see right here that they have 3 withdrawals. We have the referral withdrawal, which you can always go to withdraw. Now they said from your referral earnings, referral withdrawal is available once every 5 hours. Every 5 hours. That is if you have gotten that, right? So I think for you to be able to withdraw your referral bonus, you also need to have gotten to the beginner level, which is your 20 points. So you must go over to your home account and confirm if you have gotten up to 20 score points before you can confirm your withdrawal. So I hope this video helps you on how to go about this platform and also how to withdraw. So there are lots of tasks to do, make reviews, and also do some other things. Come right to end and you're going to be seeing what to do to get the value of this platform. So thank you for watching, and see you on my other video.